Vlogmas time. I am headed to my mom's house to help decorate her tree. Had to stop by the Dollar Tree. We love the Dollar Tree. Got some candy. I got the regular ones too. They're the gummies, and I had to get some floss. So I'm headed there. Me and Ace and my mom are gonna decorate the tree. Ace already decorated his tree at home. But yeah, I'm excited, and I have yet to get a tree. What's happening? By the time I get a tree, it's gonna be time for Christmas to be over with. But I will go shopping for a tree soon. Having breakfast for dinner. Got the tree up.
What are you doing? It's good. I did it.
Put one on there.
Y'all can put it everywhere.
We got these from where was it?
Christmas.
Yeah, Ross and Peter one.
You think it is so bad.
He trying to eat it. I eat this candy. He's not still no decorating the tree. When's that Whopper still? Oh, I don't turn the tree.
It look like you're serious.
Man, you serious last night, Wayne?
Yep.
Okay.
Ace, I can't believe you ain't help 1 second. Well, you did help.
Trying to eat
that candy.
You know you are little.
It's my time to shine.
Why you trying to pick me up?
Alexa, skip. That ain't Christmas.
Alexa.
I'm going to tower right now. Look, I didn't have a tower.
Victor, what you doing?
I'm trying to play this Alexa on the phone. Cause they ain't doing a good job.
Because Alexa ain't doing what she said, right?
I'm trying to play Christmas music.
And I'm trying to play.
Alexa, play Christmas. Thank you.
You got the homework?
We're getting there. It's really almost full. We still got some gold ornaments. Ace is not stunning us anymore. He put up a few and he dipped out. So it's just me and Mom now. We're really almost done, honestly. We just gotta put the star on the top. I don't know who gonna Ace said he wanna do it. I don't know who gonna lift him up, do that. I guess I'll keep it. Put the star on the top.
That's it. Turn it around.
What, like this?
Yeah.
Yay! Oh yeah, wait, turn it back.
It ain't right. Wait, let me bend it down.
Why did y'all look how they on this chair? Okay, I'll get it. I'll get the rest. I'll do it because I can reach it.
Look at you. You did it.
We put the top on the chair.
You did it.
Hey, it's Wednesday. We are at Chick-fil-A waiting on our food. And I was going to film these Christmas parades this weekend, but it's supposed to rain 90% on Saturday. Who's going to have a Christmas parade in the rain? Who's going to sit in the rain? 90%? We'll see, because our area hasn't canceled yet. So, we're going to see if they're going to have the parades, how bad it's going to rain. So we get in the Vlogmas spirit. It's Vlogmas. I've done nothing Christmassy yet. How do you my life together? Happy Friday, y'all. Look who's here.
A little bit longer. I think 3 hours is doable.
It is rainy. It's gloomy outside. Me and Mom are headed to get some food.
Let's go. That's my man. Let's go.
Traffic is crazy. I don't know why people act like they can't drive when it's cold, when it's raining outside, and people just act like they can't drive at all. Like, it's crazy. That's all I'm doing today.
Yeah, guess what?
Sure, I'm just sleepy.
They're so hard to find.
This weather made it sleepy.
But the lady said you have to go pick them up today.
Yeah.
You literally have to go to downtown LA right now and go buy them.
See y'all later. Tomorrow, there's one parade left. The other two parades were canceled, but it's one left at 7 o'clock. We're gonna see if we can make it, because it had a 90% chance of rain on there. 90% chance of rain.
We need to wrap people to get this job done as soon as
So we're gonna see
Go, boys. 3 hours.
if that one sticks. If it stays, hopefully we can go.
Too many questions.
Happy Saturday. Do you see rain? No, because it's not raining. We could have had the morning parade. But we'll see how the weather is later today. Good morning. So y'all, this is week 1 of Vlogmas. I did nothing festive. Well, we put up the Christmas tree. That was it. And then today, it rained all day. All the parades were canceled. So next week, I'm gonna find a tree. Fingers crossed that I find a tree. But I will see y'all in my next vlog. I'm gonna do better. I'm usually doing a lot of stuff for Vlogmas, but I don't know, it just feels different this year. I'm trying to make the best of it. We will make it. We'll make it.